Ace Got Talk. I'm here with the big man, Tony Seeley, and I've just experienced an amazing 2-day workshop where this man literally split my head open, opened it like, pulled out all these mechanisms that were inside. He called it mechanizing, looked inside my brain, saw what was going on. God knows how he's still insane. And after we had a good look inside my brain, we put all the little bits back in there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, he's like, it was like a Frankenstein kind of experiment, right? But yeah, I want to shout out to the big man because it was an amazing experiment. In the background there, we've got Manhood Academy,
today
Tony
was
Seeley.
mad. Got Ace in the house. Listen, man, like I've been about in it, and I'm saying sincerely, I've not been on a training session like this ever. This is some next level, you know, and it's only for the toughest. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no for weak people, you know. You have to be ready, man, because if this was for 5 days, like you need to get a therapist in the house, man. Like it's deep. But it was fun as well. Fun, man.
But mentally, you got to be in that stage where you're ready to be vulnerable.
Yeah.
You have to allow yourself to be vulnerable in order to grow. So this 2-day workshop was all about inner growth. And I thank the brother for allowing me to be a part of it.
And the thing is, Brother T, he's so humble. But look, my man's is humble. Like, you don't see him on stages talking and like, my brother's putting in the work. You know what I'm saying? Straight, putting in the work. And we need more role models out there who's not always interested in all of the flamboyance and the sparks, you know, but they're just doing their works and they're gaining traction as they go along and they're leaving a real legacy, man. So, brother, like a real shining light, you know.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Well, thank you, brothers. It's been a pleasure having you in the workshop. It's been amazing to really experience your energy, your spirit, your commitment to the process. And if I've infected you today and over the weekend, I've done my job.
We got to do a play, man, because I was holding back, boy. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, because my energy is just like yours. There can't be two of us in the room.
Yeah,
so I had to be like,
there's enough room for all of us.
No, because it would have been anarchy, right? But there needs to be a play, man, because there's so much energy here, and we have to create that platform where people can really, even if, is it Belinda?
Yes.
Her energy, listen, her energy is like mine, man, like with fire starters, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, confrontational, like that's my thing, you know, and yeah, man, I want to do a play, man. Like,
you heard it live and direct.
Yeah.
If you want to come on any other trainings that I've got going on, go to my website, tonyseeley.com. My number is 07956 877 358. You can hook me up. And there's still places to come on for the Black Men mental health performance play about mental health, depression and suicide. That's every Monday, Tuesday evenings 5 till 7:30 in Brixton. The performance is on the 14th of November, 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock at the Ebeng, Caribou Centre, opposite Brixton Police Station, 7 o'clock, Thursday the 14th of November. Be there, it's a free performance for black men, mental health, suicide, depression. I'm out.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Salute!